Hi everyone, it's Sue. Do you ever feel the need for speed? To scream dangerously through hairpin turns in a sleek piece of metal that's designed to go over 200 miles per hour? Or what about braving the fiercest of elements at dizzying heights so high that you can almost touch the clouds, climbing Mount Everest? Or what about leaping from an airplane at 30,000 feet, plunging towards the earth at breakneck speed with only a thin piece of silk between you and certain death? Yeah, me either. But I do like new adventures. So today I am here to share another new adventure on YouTube with you. So last week I braved the ferocious live stream, and I think I did pretty good. But if you missed the live stream where I made a Valentine's Day card and chatted with you, my lovely subscribers, you can click on the link above and you can see the whole playback of it. Now I do plan on trying to do this dangerous feat once per month in place of Wacky Wednesday for now. So the first Wednesday of every month will be live chat and or paint night with me. I haven't quite decided yet. So if you have any ideas, put them in the description box below. So my second crazy adventure on YouTube is doing some unboxing videos. So if you're ready to see all the treasures that I uncovered, let's get started. So for me, one of the perks of having a YouTube channel is to be able to make a bit of money or maybe get some free craft supplies. However, having a small channel, that's also really hard to come by. Until I found Beebeecrafts. And I first heard of this on my friend Delia Lefay's YouTube channel, so I will link her YouTube below. But I just wanted to give you a bit of information about them. So they have both a YouTube cooperation program and an affiliate program. I opted for the YouTube cooperation program to get some free products. Basically, all you have to do is have 100 subscribers. That's not very many. So you send them an email and they will check out your channel and they get back to you within the same day. And you have to make videos for your products within 30 days of receiving them and publish them on your YouTube channel, one per week. So you have to do one unboxing video and 2 videos using the products to make some crafts. Easy peasy. Now the best part was you got to pick what you wanted. You just got to pick between $30 and $40 worth of their products, and they would ship them to you. And they are from China, so it did take about 3 weeks. I ordered them in January and I got them the first week of February, but all good things come to those who wait. So I will show you the amazing things that I got. So when I received my package, I was very excited, and it was very, very well wrapped. Nothing was going to be breaking here. So there was a lot of tape on here, but I did slowly peel it all off, and it was kind of like Christmas because I'd kind of forgotten what I had ordered. But once I got in, there was a lot of bubble wrap, which I was excited about because it's very good for stress relief as well as packaging. So once I got the first package of bubble wrap open, there was another package inside. So the first package was these gorgeous strips of paper for paper quilling. And in case you have forgotten, I have done a couple of cards using paper quilling, so I will link those above. But I thought this was really cool, and I also had forgotten, once I opened it, that I had ordered 4 different packages of it. And I know this is very pricey at Amazon, and at the end of this video I will show you the price difference. I found that these were very comparable to what you would pay on Amazon, if not a little bit cheaper. But I got 4 packages of this beautifully colored paper quilling paper strips. So I was pretty excited to make some cards with that. Now the second bundle were some paintbrushes that I had ordered, and I got 2 sets. I got 12 flat brushes and 12 different round brushes. And I know they aren't amazing artist quality, but they looked pretty decent. They had solid wood handles on them. So again, I know they are pretty comparable in price to what you would pay on Amazon, and I will show you exactly the difference at the end. So, I wonder what I might be able to do with some paintbrushes. Now, when I flipped over the packages, it told me exactly the size and shape of each of the brushes that was included. So I thought that was pretty handy. Now, the thing I was impressed about Beebeecraft, and I will put a link to the YouTube program below, is that I didn't have to pay for shipping or anything. I didn't have to give a credit card number, anything like that. It was all completely free. And they're also emailing you lots of different coupons, and there's free shipping for any orders over $25. So my third package that I opened up was very exciting because, again, I had kind of forgotten what I had ordered. But once I got to the prize inside, I remembered it was all these little tiny canvases on easels. Now I know what I can do with those paintbrushes. So again, I will put some instructions and the link below to sign up for this program yourself. But basically it was 100% free. You got to pick out what products you like, and 2 to 3 weeks they sent them to you in the mail, and all you have to do is make 3 videos for them and send them the link. One has to be an unboxing to show off all the amazing craft supplies that you got, and then 2 more craft videos showing what you did with those. Now I am going to show you the comparison of the prices. So the first product was PandaHall Elite 1440 strips, 36 color quilling paper strips. And they were originally $14.07, and they were on sale for $11.97 through Beebeecraft, and I found the exact same package at Amazon for $22.09. So the next item were the 10 set mini wooden easel sketch pads with about 3-inch square canvases on them, and they were $19.73. And on Amazon, they had a 12-pack for about $22.99, so that was comparable. And lastly, the student grade artist paintbrushes were 24 pieces for $12.49, and on Amazon they had 20 brushes, similar quality, for about $10, so they were comparable. And these are all in Canadian dollars, so they are cheaper in US dollars as well. So if you were really into jewelry making, Beebeecraft is the way to go, but they did have tons of other stuff. They had sculpting materials, they have scrapbooking materials, they have artist materials, all kinds of beads, anything you could possibly think of. Fabric as well, die cuts. So take a look at their website, www.beebeecraft.com, and take a look at all the amazing craft supplies that are really good quality at a really reasonable price. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video, and stay tuned next week where I am going to be making a craft using some of the amazing supplies that I got from Beebeecraft.